Hello to all my friends out there. Wow, look at my tomatoes. My garden is coming along nicely. Look at my basil plant. One of the followers, Jesus' child, told me use clay pots. And one of the followers told me to buy Miracle-Gro, and a lady told me to buy, it's some kind of fertilizer pellets that are cow manure. So I will be doing that as soon as I get a chance. I have to replant. These are looking much better. I didn't have any fertilizer, so I just stuck my little spikes in, and it seems to have worked for the time being. Okay, you guys. Okay, I gotta tell you something. Notice no chandelier and notice no chair. I threw it in the dumpster. I'm pretty sure these are going to hit the dumpster. This is not going to hit the dumpster, and that is not going to hit the dumpster. You know, clutter is undesirable as well. It's really nice out there. I got to show. Okay, Jessica, stop watching. Look, you guys, one of the followers said they have fear of heights. If you fall off of here, you will die. Let me show you the freeway. You will die because if you look, that's a 2-story building, and I'm quite a bit higher. See, I'll show you. This is high. So it's really pretty today. The weather is perfect. That's why we pay so much to live here.